Alright, for today's video I have an unboxing haul from a Temu order for stuff that I got for the channel to do some projects. So let me get set up and I'll show you what I got. Alright, I have pulled everything that's not directly for using to make videos out of the bag, and I will say I didn't really think I was going to get this video up today. This video was supposed to go up last week, but this package took forever to get to me, and I think it has seen a lot more of the US than I have from watching the scans of where it stopped on its way to me. It's had a real scenic route. But it finally got here today after tracking just disappeared on it, and then all of a sudden it's been delivered. So let me put it off to the side and let's look at what I got one item at a time. Alright, so the first package is something I'm really excited about. Some UV resin. This is a UV hard resin. Now I haven't used any UV resins yet. I have dabbled a little bit in epoxy resins several years ago, but I've never used the UV resins. I'm really excited to try some things, especially to fill a lot of those items we've been getting in the blind bags and some of the Temu containers that I've bought. But I bought this bottle. I don't remember how big it is. I will try to let you know on the blog post, but it comes... You can tell it's a real UV resin because it's in a solid bottle, and then it will be cured with a light, which is also in this package. Just like if you get your nails done, if you get the gel nails done at the salon or do them yourself, it's the same kind of thing. So let's see what's next. All right, in this very smashed box is the UV light. Oh, and by the way, I will, to the best of my ability, put what I paid for each item on the blog post. So there'll be a lot more information over there. But this is a UV light. It can be used with the resin or it can be used with nails. And it's got these little feet on it. And this one, I got this one because not only was it small, so it won't take up a lot of space, but it's a USB chargeable, so I don't have to have this plugged in while I'm working. I can charge it up at my laptop or charge it up with my wall charger and then use it over here at the table where I don't have to have it plugged in. I'm not sure how good of a light it is, but because I've never used this stuff before, so it will be interesting to see. So let's see what's next in the bag. All right, anytime you're working with any kind of resin, it's really important to wear gloves. And so I ordered this set. It's a small package, and I ordered a size medium. I only ordered a small batch of them. They're a really good price on Temu. I only ordered a small package because I'm not sure how the size is going to be. So let's try them on. And oh, they fit perfect. Okay, so now I know I can order a larger package of the medium gloves because I like having these not only for crafting, but for the kitchen. And these are, I have to double check that they are food safe. But if they are, I'll be ordering a huge package. So let's see what's next. All right, this one is not necessarily for the resin. This is just for general crafting, but I thought I'd pull it out here now too. My favorite color is purple, and I needed new tweezers. And they came in a set of 2, and I could get purple. Oh, those feel nice. The ones I've been using, my long ones that I had been using, have lost their spring. They've gotten to the point where they just didn't work well. These feel really good. They've got a good spring back. Oh, I like those. So those will be very useful. I think I've only got one more thing to show you, and then we'll be done. All right, and this, I believe, was the bulk of the expense of this package, and this is what we use to make that resin not be all clear. Package of 24 colors for use with UV resin. It can be used with other things too, of course. This one is fuchsia. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not even sure what. It's a liquid. So we'll be using these. I will try to line them up and let you know what colors I got, but I've got 24 colors of basically resin dye. We've got a white, we've got a fuchsia. I'll just pull a few out here. We've got China red, we've got green. So lots of different colors. I wanted to get a good variety of colors so that we can make that resin look like whatever we want it to look like. So that is what I got from Temu, and hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll have figured out how this all works and we can start doing some food videos on Saturday mornings. So thank you for watching today. Be sure and hop over to the blog so that you can see what I got, better picture, and what I paid for it and why I got what I got. So thank you very much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. What kinds of things would you like to see? And what kinds of things do you want me to make out of this resin on some future projects? If you enjoyed the channel and haven't subscribed, be sure and hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.